Trying to grow your candle brand with Facebook ads but not seeing any results? Well, this video is going to break down how to run Facebook ads that will help you grow your candle business. From ad creatives that stop to scroll to strategies to help you gain more customers. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Marketing with Dev. Make sure you guys give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And if you want to sell more, write faster, and never run out of content ideas again, then what you need to do is click the link in the description and get instant access to my ultimate ChatGPT prompt pack for business owners and content creators. You'll get over 40 prompts that will help you attract more clients, boost your engagement, create scroll-stopping hooks, and turn followers into buyers, all on autopilot. So if that sounds good, then make sure you click the link in the description right now and get yours. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you're going to need to do, of course, is be inside of your Facebook Ads Manager. And once you're there, you'll come to your dashboard and it looks like this. This is one of my demo accounts that I use for demonstrations and for videos like this. In the top left, what you're going to do is press this green create button to start to create a new campaign. Now we select what type of campaign objective we want. And for this one, we are going to select sales. Then continue. I like to do a manual sales campaign. And now we are taken inside of the campaign. And the first thing we always want to do is name the campaign. And the way we name our campaign is simple. So if it is a campaign that is going to cold traffic or to people who have never seen or heard from you before, like this campaign is, it will be labeled as L1. In the middle, we always just have what we are doing or what we're selling or what we're trying to do, right? In this one, we're trying to sell our 3-wick candle. So in the middle, I just put 3-wick candle. If we were trying to get downloads for a lead magnet or give out free estimates for something, we would put that in the middle. Whatever it is that we're trying to do, that's what we put in the middle. And then at the end, we always have the name of the campaign objective, which is sales. And after you name this campaign, that's really all you're going to have to do on the campaign level. So you can go to the bottom right and select next. And now we're taken to the ad set level and we're going to do the same thing. But we want to name the ad set, and until we get the name of our audience, because that's how we name the ad set. The ad set name is always the name of our audience. We don't have that yet, so we'll just leave this blank for now, and then we'll come back and fill that out. Going down to conversion and conversion location, you can select website and shop, website and app, message destinations or calls. For a candle business, I would recommend a website. You can do shop if you want to connect your Facebook or Instagram shop, but I would just recommend doing website just to keep it simple for now, but you can play around and test website and shop as well. Performance goal, we want to maximize number of conversions. For data set, make sure that you select your pixel. And for a conversion event, make sure that you select the exact conversion event you want. So whether it be add payment info, add to cart, or whatever the case may be, purchase, whatever it is that you're looking for. And again, this is a demo account for me, so all of mine are not set up. Going down to budget. So the budget for this campaign is going to be $20 a day, and we're going to have 3 ad sets. So we're going to be $20 a day per ad set for 3 ad sets, which is going to be a total of $60 per day total for the entire campaign. And going down to audience controls and locations, where it says United States, we want to make sure that your country is selected, or your country and the countries that you also do business in. Make sure those are selected. I'm in the United States, so I'm just going to leave this United States. And for this campaign, we are going to be testing our creatives. So we are actually going to be using a broad audience, right? So we're not going to be using any interest. We're going to be letting our creative and our copy do the heavy lifting for the targeting for us. So let's go back to the top and we can rename this campaign. So we just name it broad. That lets us know that there are no targeting parameters set. It's going to everybody in the country. They're going to be able to see it, right? And the algorithm will very quickly learn the type of person you are trying to sell to, and having good copy and good creatives will also help with that. So once you have this set up, you can actually go to the bottom right and select next. Now this takes us to the ad level, and we're going to create 3 different video ads. Like I told you guys before, 3 different video ads because those are the ones we're testing, right? And when we're testing, it's important that we keep all other variables the same. And that's why we're going to be sending all 3 ads to the same broad audience. Because if all variables don't remain constant, we're not going to know what caused the differences in the results. But if everything else is the same, but the only thing that's different is the creatives, then we'll know that the changes in the results are due to the creatives. So going down to identity, make sure you guys select your Facebook page. Make sure you guys also connect your Instagram account if you want your ads to be shown on Instagram. Creative source, make sure you do manual upload. Format, single image or video. Destination, this is going to be where you select your link or your URL, right? You're going to paste it right in there and not your homepage. Make sure it's the link that takes them right to the product that you're advertising. Going down to ad creative, we're going to select setup ad creative and we're going to select video ad. Here is the site links. You guys can do these if you want. Now text, this is where we get into the copy. So we have our primary text and we have our headline. So how are we going to do this? We're going to go into ChatGPT and they are going to create some copy for us. So let's head over there, get our copy, and then we'll come right back. So to get our copy, this is going to be our prompt. Write Facebook ad copy for a candle company looking to sell their latest 3-wick candle. Make sure that you're using the pain, agitation, and solution copy formula. And we're going to submit. And in just a few seconds, we get our output. So they break it down into the pain, agitation, and solution sections. So let's read it. Pain, tired of the candles that burn out too quickly or leave your home smelling less than amazing. It's frustrating when you spend money on something that doesn't live up to expectations. Agitation, you light your candle, excited for the cozy vibes, but within hours, it's barely flickering. Or worse, the scent fades before you even get comfortable. Why settle for less when you deserve the best? Solution, introducing our newest 3-wick candle, designed to burn longer, stronger, and fill your home with a luxurious scent that lasts all day. Crafted with premium ingredients, it's a perfect addition to any space. Say goodbye to quick burns and weak smells. Experience the true essence of indulgence. Light up your space today. And of course, you guys are going to customize this however you want. You can ask ChatGPT for more prompts. You can tell it to be more precise, be more elaborate, and explaining things however you want. It's really up to you. And just know that you can play around with ChatGPT and really get different perspectives and different outlooks. So you could ask ChatGPT to write it in a different tone of voice. You can ask it to write it sarcastically. You can ask it to write it energetically, all these different types of things. So of course, you're going to take your experience and your expertise and you're going to add to this, rewrite this, just use this as the base of your copy, obviously. And then you're going to, when you're finished, put it into the Facebook ads campaign. So let's head back over there to do that. Once you get your copy, paste it in, and then we can select next in the bottom right. Now we are taken to media. So we're going to have ChatGPT create us 3 different creatives that we can use and test out in this campaign. So let's head back into ChatGPT to get those. Now let's get our creatives. So the prompt we're going to use is create 3 different Facebook ad videos using my 4-step video ad formula. Step 1, strong hook. Step 2, intro and credibility. Step 3, give value, educate, entertain, motivate, or inspire. And 4 is a strong call to action. So let's submit this. So it gave us back our output, gave us 3 different video ads. So I'll just go through one of them with you guys quickly. It also gave us a scene that we can have in the background. So it doesn't have to be your face on camera. So you can have the scene and then you can have a voiceover. So strong hook, tired of candles that don't last, we've got something better. But the scene for this, which I should have read first, a dimly lit room with a candle flickering softly, a frustrated person blows out a small candle, clearly unsatisfied. And then the voiceover will be saying, tired of candles that don't last, we've got something better. Step 2, intro and credibility. The scene, the same person now lights the new 3-wick candle. It's brighter, stronger, and the scent fills the room. And the voiceover on top of that would be, our 3-wick candles are designed for those who demand more. With premium ingredients, we've crafted a candle that burns longer, smells better, and elevates your space. Step 3, give value. And the scene for this is zoom in on the candle's high quality wick, slow motion, flickering, and close-ups of happy customers enjoying their spaces. The voiceover, each candle burns evenly and steadily, filling your room with rich, long-lasting fragrance. Whether it's for relaxation or setting the mood, we've got you covered. Step 4, strong call to action. The scene for this is a person placing the candle on a shelf with a smile, satisfied with the result. VoiceOver, ready to upgrade your candle experience? Click below to shop our latest 3-wick candle and bring luxury to your home today. And again, like I always say, you want to make sure that you take this, use this as the base, right? So you don't have to create an entire script. Just use this as a base, but you're going to infuse your own experience and your own expertise along with this to create the strongest creatives possible. And then after you do that for all three, you're going to record them, and then you're going to go back over to the Facebook ads campaign, and then you're going to upload them there. So let's go ahead and do that now. So after you guys finish making those videos, then we'll come back in here and you would select upload. I already have an example right here. So I'm just going to select this one and go to next. You guys can trim, crop, add enhancements, all that good stuff. And then you guys will be good to go. And now what we're going to do is go to that first ad set over here where it says broad, and we're going to click on these three dots and we're going to go to quick duplicate. So now what this just did is create another ad set and also another ad level. So we're going to go to that ad set and remove the copy from the name. And then we're going to go to that ad level now. And now we have to, well, first what we should have done is name this. So let's name this video 2, and let's go back to the first one and name this video 1. Now let's go back to the video 2, or the ad set rather for video 2, broad, and then go back to the ad level. And then what you're going to do is go down and change video, right? So you're going to go to media. Now we're going to put in video 2. So you just use video 1 for the other ad set. Now we're going to be using video 2. Select it, do the same entire process, trim, crop, enhancements, whatever the case is, whatever you want. And now we're going to do the same thing one more time. Go to that ad set, broad, click the three dots, quick duplicate, same thing, get rid of the word copy. And now we're going to go to that ad set, or that ad level, excuse me, change this ad name from video 2 to video 3. And now we have to go down to add creative, edit media, change video, go back to media, and now we're going to upload video 3. So now this is going to be the third different creative that we got from ChatGPT, and we're going to upload it in here. And once you guys do that, you can go back to the campaign level at the very top on the left-hand side where it says L1 3-wick candle sales. And then you guys can click the green publish button in the bottom right. Facebook will review your campaign and we'll let it run. So what you guys want to do is let these ads run for about 3 to 5 days before making any adjustments, or after that point, you will have some actual data that you can look at to make some decisions. So if you're seeing good results in certain ad sets, then you can incrementally start to increase those budgets. But if you're seeing bad results, then we can start to switch out some of those creatives for new ones, because we need to figure out which creatives are going to work the best. And you can also try targeting some audiences as well. And there you guys have it. That is how you guys set up and run your Facebook ads for a candle business. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And click the link in the description to get my ultimate ChatGPT prompt pack for business owners and content creators. And I'll see you guys in the next video.